In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sellfy on Squarespace to seamlessly integrate a Buy Now button onto your website. Whether you're new to e-commerce or looking to streamline your online storefront, this guide will help simplify the process for you. First, let's start off by logging into your Sellfy account. You want to make sure all your products and settings are readily accessible. Once you're logged in, navigate over to your store settings and find the Embed options. This is where you'll create the Buy Now button that will allow your customers to make purchases directly from your website. Next, within Embed options, you'll see an option for the Buy Now button. Click on that, and then choose the specific product you want to feature from the drop-down menu. This is an important step, as selecting the exact product ensures your customers are directed to the correct item. Once you've selected your product, you have the opportunity to customize the button text and appearance to match your site's aesthetic. This can include changing the size, color, or wording of the button. Customization is key to maintaining a cohesive look and feel on your site. After you've tailored the button to your liking, go ahead and copy the generated embed code. This code is what you'll be pasting onto your Squarespace page, integrating the button directly into your website. Now, let's switch gears to your Squarespace dashboard. Log into your Squarespace site editor where you have full control over your website's design and content. Navigate to the page where you want your Buy Now button to appear. Once there, begin editing the page and look for an insert point. These are typically represented by black lines or dots on the Squarespace interface. Upon clicking an insert point, you'll open up a menu of blocks you can add. For this specific task, you'll want to choose the code block. Do note that the code block is available on Squarespace's business and commerce plans, so ensure you're on one of these plans to proceed. Once you've added the code block to your page, make sure it is set to HTML mode. This is essential for properly embedding custom codes, like the one generated from Sellfy. Now simply paste the Sellfy embed code you've copied earlier into the code block. After pasting, click Apply to finalize the block settings. Finally, don't forget to save your changes on Squarespace to ensure everything is successfully updated and visible to your site visitors. And there you have it. A seamless integration of Sellfy's Buy Now button directly onto your Squarespace website. This setup allows for easy purchasing options for your customers and enhances the overall shopping experience. As always, if there are any questions or additional features you'd like to explore, feel free to dive into the help centers provided by both platforms. Happy selling!